Uh, hello, hello everyone. Today we are going to be reacting to the Cat in the Hat analog horror. It's like 9:59 right now, and I'm watching this at like pure like dark out and everything. So yeah. So this is gonna be so it's an analog horror, so I bet this is gonna be scary, jump scares and everything probably. This is by Chris Archives. So I hope he writes a banger and everything. But I'll rate it at the end. He clearly has like three episodes. No, not episodes. Not the well, episodes then, like 3 episodes. So we're gonna be watching all of those, and let's get into this. Chris Arcade. Okay. I bet this is gonna be. Oh my God. What? Okay. House.
Okay. Emily, sweetie, it's only 2 nights. The babysitter will be here any minute. Her name's Sarah. She's really nice.
Pick up the house phone if you need anything. And don't open the door for anyone you don't know. Understood?
Okay. Will you call me when you get there? Of course we will. We love you.
Okay.
Be good.
I believe in your, like, how old is she? Like 6 years old or something? Or 7, 9, whatever? Like, why are you leaving her behind? Well, I guess the babysitter's coming, but I got a bad feeling about this. Like, okay, that must be the babysitter.
Well, hello.
Okay, never mind.
You must be Emily.
How
Never
do
mind,
you know
that
my
was
name? Are you wearing a costume?
I'm not wearing a costume. I'm the Cat in the Hat. And yes,
Nah.
I know a lot of things.
I'm instantly shutting that door. What are you doing? What's your name? Emily? Yeah, Emily. What are you doing, Emily? Honestly, like, bro. Like, oh my God, bro.
I'm here to make tonight really fun.
My parents don't let me talk to strangers. I'm waiting for the babysitter.
Oh, poor thing. Sarah had a little accident.
Okay,
Not
what the?
serious, but she won't be able to make it. So this.
Calling it right now. Killed her. He killed her. Calling it.
Then me instead. Isn't a talking cat way better than a boring babysitter?
Can you really talk?
I can do a lot more than talk. Will you let me in? I promise we're going to have fun.
Emily, what are you doing?
Whoa! How did you do that? He's so pretty.
Just a little trick, see? You're not alone anymore.
Oh my God.
It's like a princess castle. How do you do that? Can you read minds?
Just a little. I know you like happy colors when you're scared, and I know you're scared of being alone. But you don't have to be anymore. I'm here to keep you entertained until your parents come back. Shall we play hide and seek? I'll count first.
Yeah, but no cheating.
Okay, they're playing hide and seek. Okay, she's hiding in the closet, I'm guessing, yeah. Yeah, she's hiding in the closet, okay. Oh my God, this is a jump scare. Please don't jump scare me. Oh, please.
Come on, you
Okay,
have to have
as
better
long as
than
it's
that.
not a jump scare. Oh my God.
No TV in your room.
Okay, let's get back to this.
Better than
At least it's not a jump scare though. Like I was saying. Okay, where's she hanging next? I think in the bed. Oh, I'm not. I mean the bathroom again? The bathroom? Is that a bathroom? Yeah, that's the curtains, yeah. I'm guessing that's a bathroom.
Oh no, try harder next time.
Oh, that's creepy, bro. Oh my god. How are you not freaked out about this, bro? What are you doing? Okay, so now she's going to the bed. Oh. Did he just teleport? Bro just teleported. Oh. No. Are you serious? Please don't.
This isn't fun if you don't hide properly, Emily.
Ugh. Bro, get out of my face, bro, with that ugly ass face, bro. Get out of here.
Now I'm Simon. We're playing Simon Says.
Alright, boss, you're in charge.
Simon says, tuck your hat. Simon says, hop on one foot. Simon says, pull a rainbow cat out of your hat.
Bro.
Zing! You lost, silly.
Idiot.
I didn't
Yeah.
say Simon says.
Dumb man.
Oh, how silly of me, little one. You win this round, little mouse.
Don't cats, eat mouses? Think of that. Think of it. Think of it. What the hell are we doing now?
Time to smash some.
Okay. Alright. So, these are human bodies. I'm guessing. Because the shape of a person, what is that? That is not some, whatever this is. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Pinatas. This bat is
That's a
special.
body.
It hits really hard even if you don't swing strong. Let's get lots of candy.
It's a body. Candy, more like bodies. Oh my god. That's their parent? That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, that's their parents? That's crazy, bro. That's honestly crazy. Why would... That's honestly... Ooh. Bro. That is honestly crazy, bro.
No! What did you do?
Surprise! I knew you missed them so much. I brought them back so you could play with them. Isn't it wonderful?
You're a monster! You're a monster! Get out! Get out
Yeah,
of my house!
that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Emily.
Didn't like the trick? I thought it would make you...
Oh, no. Oh, never mind. Okay, hey, how was she happy about that? You literally killed her parents. What the hell do you mean, bro? That's honestly crazy. Showing her dead parents, bro. That's honestly crazy.
Now, let's play hide and seek. I chase, you hide.
Didn't we play that already? No. Yeah, hide somewhere. Even though he's... Okay, never mind. I know that song. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run. Yeah. See? Oh my god. Hope he doesn't find you, even though he is, I don't know. I'm still hoping. Oh my god, hang on guys.
Introducing your...
Okay. You better call the police, bro. Honestly, bro. Okay, good job. Okay. Okay. 911, what's your emergency?
They're in my house. Yes, my mommy and daddy. Please, come quick.
Okay, sweetie, stay calm. What's your name?
Emily Smith.
Good girl. Whoa, okay, whoa. Good girl. Tell me exactly what's happening.
The monster captured my parents, and now he won't stop chasing me.
Alright. Just tell me your address, princess. Why are you calling her a princess? Are you actually a predator, bro? Are you serious?
It's 142.
Oh no. Oh, you're dead.
Let's play
R.I.P.
something else, little mouse.
Okay, R.I.P.
A simple game. Rock, paper, scissors.
What happens if you... Ow! My eyes. Okay. That's good. Oh my god. Alright, as long as you win this, you would be fine. Oh my god. Oh no. 3 chances. 3 chances. Please. At least give her 3 chances. Or 2 chances, bro. Oh my god. Did you just kill her? Oh my god. Oh. He just cutted her. Her hand, bro. Oh my god. Oh.
I can see properly if you won't play nicely.
What?
Fine.
You're not playing
I'll
nicely.
give you an exit.
You crazy.
Just jump everything around. You'll see what you
Is that an exit? Is that an exit? I hope it's an exit, bro. Come on, go. Alright. What the hell? Ooh! 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 Dang! Oh, now she's dead. Now she's dead, bro. Okay, no, don't. I feel like this. Oh my god! Ooh. I hate you, bro. Oh my god, bro. Why would you do that?
You're alone too.
Fuck you. Don't you know? Oh, you're ugly as shit, bro. Bro, you just get away from me, bro. Oh my god. Don't jump scare me again. What are you... Bro. Why are you jump scaring me? No, okay. Woo, okay. Ooh, okay. Created by Chris Archives. Voice actors. Oh, Emily. Alina. Ooh, mother. Father, Connor, and the cat. Ooh. Nathan. Okay, shout out to Nathan. That's great voice acting, actually, bro. It's actually, I like the voice acting, bro. Like, it's Really? Yeah, I like that. It's
pursue racing full time. He's all in. I mean, there is
Yeah.
no other option than successful.
yeah, bro. Okay, let's get into part 2. Okay, everyone. So now this is the Cat in the Hat, and I'll cover this is Trick. So Chris Archives. It's a Chris Archives. Same creator. I hope this is gonna be a banger like the other one. Like, bro. Honestly, bro, why'd you? He put in fake exit and then just broke her legs. I think she's dead now. Yes. Yep. It just broke her legs. I don't know. It just broke her legs. How did that kill her? Like, let's get into this. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, that scared me.
In local news, the police have confirmed that 8-year-old Emily Smith was found dead this morning, apparently fallen from the second floor of her home. Inside the house, the bodies of her parents, Laura and Edwin Smith, were all...
By the way, this is, it's like pitch black. It's pitch black outside. It's like, 10:16. Yeah. Yeah.
Found. The little girls seem to have suffered a tragic accident. However, the investigations are still ongoing, as the killer remains at large. Just a few blocks away from here, the body of Sarah Williams, the babysitter who had been hired to take care of Emily, was discovered.
She's dead. Yeah, she's
A few months ago, there was a series of disappearances and killings of children across the entire country.
She's dead.
People vanished and never came back. But now, this is no ordinary killer. The whole town is terrified. If you see anything strange, don't hesitate to call the authorities. This is a real danger to everyone.
Yep.
Again? Oh my god. Sweetheart, it's late. Come here. Give me a good night kiss.
I don't want to go to sleep yet, Mom. I'm not tired.
Go to sleep, sweetheart. It's very late.
Okay, but... Mom, can you check under the bed, please? Are there any monsters? I heard noises yesterday.
Oh, Ethan. Of course I will. But there's nothing.
Oh yeah, there's nothing. Yep. Cat in the Hat just jumps out. Yeah, just jumps out and kill her. Yep.
Okay?
Yep. Oh, that's a neck snap right there, bro. Oof. Dang. Oh no. Stop. Stop. Okay, at least it's not. Oh my god. Whoa.
I'm the Cat in the Hat, and you must be Ethan.
Who are you? And where's my mom?
Hang on. What the?
Surprise!
Oh,
I'm the
Cause
Cat in...
it went quiet for a second, so sorry. I had to do that. Sorry.
the Hat, and you must be Ethan.
Who are you? And where's my mom? Mom!
Easy there, little mouse. Your mom is fine. She's sleeping deeply right under your bed so we don't wake her, okay?
What?
She gave me permission to come out and play with you all night.
No,
Doesn't
she
that
did
sound
not.
wonderful?
Is that her? Is that her? Oh.
Is my mom sleeping and she let me stay awake?
Exactly. Don't you want a chatty cat to entertain you? Come
Just
on.
don't call him a monster. Okay, don't. Do not.
What should we...
Because he's gonna kill you. Do not call him a monster. Do not. The way to survive is to not call him a monster. So just let him kill anyone, and then he can leave. Now you can just live in the house by yourself. Never mind. I'm so sorry. Just don't call him a monster, or else he will kill you next.
Hey!
Okay,
That's the word.
anything.
You're not gonna think the fact that your mom is like sleeping directly. Red light green. Okay, so you're not gonna think the fact that your mom is sleeping under your bed. It's just weird. He's just clearly lying and you're just believing him. Are you stupid? Red light, green light. Green light? Okay. Oh, am I not running? Oh my god, bro. Okay. Are we not running? Okay, so we're not. Okay, we're just turning around. He's not even trying to run at you. What the hell is he doing? Hey, green light. Don't jump scare me, bro. Okay, go. Oh, please don't. Oh my god, that's getting me.
Oh, Ethan, you have to be faster.
Again! Now let's play Sleeping Lion!
What kind of game is that?
Get away from me. I got the cat spray. I got the... Get away from me.
I close my eyes, and you have to make me move, either by making me laugh and stuff like that.
What a strange game. All right, let's try.
You're dead. You're dead, buddy. Go.
Mom?
Run.
Yes.
Run.
Listen to your mom. Run.
What an inconvenience.
Mom!
Oh, kiddo, what a pity. You just lost the game.
Uh-oh.
France proposes an
What the hell?
share promotional activities.
You're nicely suited and ready for the show. And now,
Oh, my God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my... Ew.
Please, let her go!
This is going to be incredibly grotesque, folks. So, shall we tone it down just a little for the audience?
No.
We want any trouble
Oh,
now,
no.
little mouse. Come on, little lambs, it's dinner time.
I knew you were a predator. I knew it. I knew Cat in the Hat was a predator. I knew it from the start. Oh my god. Oh no.
You don't have to be scared. Or did you not like the show? Your mom played her part very well.
Oh my god. Don't call him a monster. Don't.
You're a monster!
But
Stay
you're
away from
stupid.
me!
You're stupid as
No,
hell.
I hate it when kids don't enjoy my tricks, little mouse. It really leaves me empty. Maybe I should fill my stomach with something less stylish. Come on, kid. But now that you can, you wouldn't want the same fate as your mom, would
I do
you?
not know what you're saying, but okay. Why would you call him a monster, bro? Oh my god. Stupid as hell, bro. Why would you call him a monster, bro? I get it, he is a monster, but still, why would you? Oh, ow, ow. Oh my god! That's get away from me, oh. Yes, go. Is there another? What the hell? Are these the souls?
What a surprise! You serve to play, little mouse. Well, what a family reunion! Some little ones.
Oh, these are the souls that okay, so this is the souls that the cat in the hat killed. Ooh, okay, I'm guessing this. Yeah. Because he said family reunion, so.
What? What's happening? No!
Yes. Let's go!
In my reality! I am the god here!
No, you're nothing. She used to think you were hilarious, but not anymore.
So you used to think he was hilarious? You used to think he was hilarious? Are you stupid? Bro.
The only way you can keep doing this is because he was letting you.
Kill him.
God is furious, and the devil has a special seed for you.
No, this can't be happening!
Yes! Oh my god. Stupid ass. Yes. Okay. Oh my god. He's dead. Let's go, bro. Yes. Let's go, bro. He's dead, dude. I think it's over. Okay. The hell? It's not over yet?
I dreamt that I was with the devil below in his great big fiery hall, where the devil was giving a ball. I checked my coat and hat and started gazing at the merry crowd who came to witness the show. And I must confess to you, there were many there I knew at the devil's ball. I saw the cute Mrs. Devil so pretty and sad, dressed in a musical
Okay, I think he's done now. Okay, let's just still watch. Is there subtext? Okay, he's not doing it. There's a third one. So never mind, he's not done. Yep, oh my god. Ooh, that's disgusting.
What a horrible happy ending that would have been. Wouldn't you say?
What a horrible. That was a wonderful happy ending. What the hell do you mean? You killed it.
It's been a year since Bill France created NASA.
You killed it. Oh my god, bro. No. You only target children and never mind. Oh my. That's crazy. Sorry about this archive and voice actors. Yeah, same voice actor. And okay, great voice actors. Shout out to them. That's so great. Appreciate it. Okay. That was cool. That was really cool. Yeah. I wish I would I wish I would be in a voice actor, actually. Dang, okay. That was, okay. Okay, I think the next part. I'm gonna see the rest, actually. This is the third one, so he's not dead. Okay.
Flexible
not
doesn't
dead,
mean
so,
easier.
Yeah. Okay. So so we watched the second one. Now we're in the third one. So the Cat in the Hat grand finale. So this is the final. This is the final. This is the final episode. Okay. So I hope there's I hope there's like a good ending, bro. I hope they actually kill the Cat in the Hat, and yeah, I hope they do, bro. So yeah, come on, let's give us a happy ending. Let's go, come on, let's go.
Conrad, put that bowl down right now.
Oh, is this a
Time to figure out how to finance
the movie, right? Yeah, the movie. I watched this since I was I watched this when I was a kid, bro. Oh. So yeah. Okay, this is the movie, right? Yeah.
To me, both of you. Today's the most important day of my career. Mr. Humberflube and the board of directors are coming over at 8 o'clock sharp. The house needs to be spotless. No messes, no mischief.
Okay.
Relax, Mom. I promise not to set the rug
Yeah,
on fire.
it's definitely the movie.
This time. Don't worry, Mom.
This
I'll make sure
time.
Conrad follows
Should I
the rules. I have my checklist ready. If he steps out of line by a single millimeter, I'm calling your office. Thank you, Sally, sweetie. Mrs. Corn is on the couch. She'll watch you while I close the deal. If anything goes wrong, if there's a single stain on this floor, you are grounded until college. Understood? Yeah, have fun at your meeting, silly useless stuff.
The hell are you saying? Oh, like in the movie. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like in the movie, they look at the they look at the window. And yeah.
Hey, did you hear that? It's just the wind, Conrad.
No, we didn't hear
Sit
that.
back down. Keep quiet. You'll wake up Mrs. Kwan. That's not the wind. Someone's upstairs. Conrad, no. Mom said we have to stay on the first
What just popped up?
wind, Conrad.
Hang on.
Sit back down. Keep quiet. You'll wake up Mrs. Kwan. That's not the wind. Someone's upstairs. Conrad,
Okay, yeah, that definitely popped up. What does that mean? Okay, hang on. Here.
it's just the wind, Conrad. Sit back down. Keep quiet. You'll wake up Mrs. Kwan. That's not the wind. Someone's upstairs. Conrad.
Okay, all right. I'm not gonna pause any more longer. Let's just watch it.
Mom said we have to stay on the first floor. Putting this in your punishment file.
Putting this in their punishment. Putting this in your punishment file. Putting this in the punishment. Just going upstairs, checking that thing out. Whatever that. Well, it's the Cat in the Hat, but yeah, but I'm putting this in your punishment file. What?
That's not the wind. Someone's upstairs. Conrad.
Okay, guys, there we go. What did this mean? What does this mean, bro? What does this actually mean? I want to know what this means. I really want to know what this means. I don't. Why are you putting this? Okay, it's some sort of. I can investigate this later, probably. Let's do this.
No. Mom said we have to stay on the first floor. Putting this in your punishment file.
Putting this in your punishment file. I'm putting this in your punishment file. I'm putting this in your punishment file. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're gonna be in so much trouble. Yeah, you're gonna be in so much trouble. You're gonna be in so much trouble. Putting this in your punishment file.
Hello?
You're dead. You're cooked. You're cooked. Cooked. Yep.
Conrad, where are you? This isn't funny.
Okay.
Vimy,
Oh my
your
god,
personal
bro, I
math
hate
tutor.
it. Okay, like in the movie, so Comrade gets like pulled, so I watched this, so I know everything. Yep.
Conrad, where are you? This isn't funny.
Except the killing part. Trying to have another kill. Oh my god! Oh. I hate you. Bro.
You should have seen your face. You almost peed yourself. You're an idiot, Conrad. You shouldn't scare people like that. You almost gave me a heart attack.
Bro.
Oh, please, Sally. It was like you saw a monster.
A monster? Where?
Run! Definitely, just, yeah, run. Good job, run.
Well, that could have gone better.
What are you looking at me for? I didn't do anything. I'm the one who watches.
What the hell was that, Conrad? Tell me what that was. I don't know.
Did you just say hell?
It could have gone better.
What the hell was that, Conrad?
You can't
Tell
say
me what
that. It's a
was.
kid's show.
I don't know.
Not a
Looks like a
kid's show.
humongous
Kids
cat.
movie. What are you doing?
Humongous. I prefer the term big bone to jolly.
The hell?
Now, what are we hiding from?
Get away from me. Yeah, instantly run. Good job. Good girls and boy.
That is a huge cat. A giant talking cat. But that's impossible, right? Cats aren't 7 feet tall. They don't exist.
No dirt.
It's
Well,
entirely
this one does.
impossible. You know, I like this hiding place a lot better. They'll never find us here. Scream and run.
Scream and run.
Who are you? And what do you want from us?
Who, me? Why, I'm the Cat in the Hat. There's no doubt about that. I'm a super fundiferous feline who's here to make sure that you're...
No.
I
You're
got
not fun.
nothing. I'm not so good with rhyming. Not really. No.
You don't go to school?
Look, I'm a cat that can talk. That should be enough for you people.
Where did you come from?
How do I put this? When a mommy cat and a daddy
Hey, what the?
cat
No, you're not. No, no. Don't you dare say that, bro.
each other very, very
Bro, get
much.
away from it.
And they...
No. How did you
Do not
get
say
here?
anything, bro.
Where did you come from?
My place. What do you think? I'm not gonna talk about, cosmic and supernatural stuff, because that's something your fragile little heads just couldn't handle.
Did you?
You little mice.
Did you just call us? Did you just call us dumb? You're the one that's dumb. Okay, never mind. Wait.
Anyway, I'm here because I sense an immense, almost electable energy of boredom coming from this house. So I'm here to make sure you have a blast.
So
Really?
he senses boredom. Okay. So if I just don't get bored, he wouldn't come. Simple as that. Simple, yes. Simple
Mr.
as that.
Cat, how kind of you. Well, I guess I can't say no.
Oh, wonderful. What shall we play first? We can play whatever you want. Anything.
Our babysitter fell asleep watching TV. She's supposed to be watching us. Why don't you play a prank on her?
He's gonna think it like a killing spree. Oh my god. Why would you do that? Why would you say that?
Pranks.
You love pranks, huh? You love killing too. Yeah. Makes sense. How does she not break up? Oh no. Oh no. I'm guessing he's gonna. Oh no.
Wait! What are you doing?
Stop, stop, stop. Ooh. Ooh.
Done! The disappearing trick.
He doesn't. Okay. Good. Don't call him on.
Oh,
Okay.
come
Good.
on.
Good job.
Don't give me that look. It was
Survival.
just a magic trick. Mrs. Kwan is perfectly fine. I think. And all of this is just tomato soup. Look, smells like spices. Delicious.
You're not dumb enough.
Got it everywhere! Mom is going to kill Conrad and me! The whole house is ruined!
Oh, children. Always so worried about mundane details.
Oh my god.
Family. Children. Always so worried about mundane details.
One thing.
Don't worry. I have my assistants for cleanup.
Oh, what's that? Okay, the cute faces, but the cute faces.
Useless. I have to do everything myself in this dimension.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now
Thank
you're
you.
just gonna.
I'm so glad to know.
Let's just gonna ignore. Let's just ignore the fact that they pop. All right, that's so funny. Actually, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not. That's, but that's actually messed up though. I'm not gonna lie though.
My little mice are feeding mine.
Oh shoot. Oh, I think the mother. Oh wait, what the? Okay, another one just popped up, but I'm not
I
gonna.
heard screaming from the sidewalk. I knew it. I knew the second Joe turned the corner, you two little freaks would start acting up.
Larry, you need to leave. You need to leave right now.
You don't tell me what to do, you little brat. I'm calling your mother right
Are you
now.
serious?
I'll tell her
Okay,
you
I
broke
think he
every
deserves to
rule
die.
and that Miss Kwan isn't even here. I'm going to make sure they ship you off to military school and...
You making sure?
What? Joe!
I hope he dies.
Damn it. What is that smell?
You said damn it.
My allergies are flaring up.
You can't say that.
It's
It's
like
a
there's
kid
a
show.
filthy animal in this house.
Oh no.
That'd be me.
Ooh. 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 Why would you say? Why would you call him a monster? Bro, why would you say?
I saved you from that parasitic meat sack. I gave you entertainment. And this is how you repay
Okay,
me?
you're calling that entertainment? What?
This should be happening again.
Oh my god.
Now I'll be the one having fun. So, scream and run.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Please no jump scares. Please no jump scares. Please. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. What is happening? Are we just...
Stay close to me, Sally. Don't let
gotta get out of the house, bro.
Well, now you needn't be shy. I won't harm the
I was
night
fine.
the night that they come. Go tell. Come into my
Where's-
You're the sun. What do I want?
Are these just old cartoons playing in the... Oh, it's a spider. Okay. Mm-mm. Uh-oh.
You'll be very sleepy. Conrad, I need to go to the bathroom. My stomach hurts so bad. I'm scared to.
Oh, there's no time going to the bathroom. Are you serious?
Okay,
You want
let's
to
go.
go to the bathroom, bro?
Now make yourself at home while I prepare your room. I'll be right back.
Is that an old cartoon? Or just... Yo, go into the back. Oh my god, ads, I hate
If you
these
play
ads,
Roblox,
Go into the bathroom. Another one just popped up.
Sally? Sally, where are you?
Okay, Sally. Oh my god. Okay, go find your sister, bro. Go find your sister and get out of the house. Get out of the house. Find your sister and get out of the house. Or just leave your sister. She can survive, right? Yeah, right? Never mind. Never mind, sorry.
Conrad, I feel weird. I don't like it here. I want to go to Mom. Sally, let's go back up. We have to.
You did very, very bad children. And
But too
bad
late.
children deserve to be punished. Conrad, watch your sister.
Watch your sister. No, run, run. Oh my god. Oh, no. Oh. Is Sally getting... Oh, she's getting killed. Oh no. Oh. What is happening? She's getting killed. Oh yeah, she's getting killed. Oh my god. Oh no. The hell are we doing here?
Hello, May. I've got a bone to pick with you.
Oh no. You're so bad, bro. Leave the house! What are you doing? Like, you know where the door is, bro.
Will you be a good little mouse and play with the cat games?
Oh.
You wouldn't want to suffer the same fate as your sister, would you?
This is fuck you.
Will you be a good little mouse and play with the cat games? You wouldn't want to suffer the same fate as your sister, would you?
Yeah, he said fuck you. You really think that's gonna work, bro? He's laughing during his... He's really laughing when he's being... Nothing can kill him, bro. Oh no, what is happening? Oh, oh! Ooh! Yeah! No, you're so ugly! Oh my god! Oh! Oh. What happened? Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey. Dude, why are you breaking the ball? Okay, this is not funny. I'm sorry. What happened?
Kids, I'm home.
Oh no.
The meeting was a massive success. Mr. Humberflip was thrilled. Conrad, Sally, where are you?
Sorry, but you're next. Turn around, actually. Turn around. Actually, turn around. Turn around. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, that is created by Chris Archives. Yeah. Voice actors. Cat. The same voice actor. Sally. Yep. Okay, I wish I would be the voice acts. I would voice act what should I voice? The next one, I want to voice act something. Okay, bro. That was. And look at him. Look at him and just in the back, just watching the whole thing, bro. Are you like? Bro's just in the back over there, just watching. What a freaking sick mother freaker, bro. Oh, motherfucker. But yeah, this is a great. Yeah, great. This is a great episode. That was really good. It was. Ooh, the all episode. Ooh. But I don't like the fact. Why did they not do this a happy ending, bro? Like the good ending, bro. Why didn't you just? Oh my god, bro. But that was good, actually. I like the artwork. I like that was good, bro. Like, that was really good, bro. Look at this. That was good, guys. That was good. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was really good, actually. So I just got scared like 3 times or something. I don't know, or 4, I don't know. But yeah, that was really good. That was just really good, guys. Hope you guys have a good day, and yeah, I'm gonna be posting not every day, but I'm gonna be taking a break most of the time. But hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna be posting Alan Becker's videos. I still missed one video that I got a voice act in Alan Becker's video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.